Ukwangali Traditional Authority has been granted approval by the Supreme Court to appoint Eugene Siwombe Kudumo as the rightful heir to the chieftaincy, marking a turning point for the Ukwangali community. The ruling follows extensive deliberations held by the Supreme Court on the 19th of February 2019 and the 6th of March 2019. The Ukwangali Traditional Authority is expected to set a suitable date for the official designation ceremony and must inform the Minister of Urban Rural Development to attend. Now, they're also required to notify the Minister of the date, time and place of the designation. Moving on to other stories, the Musati Eye Surgical Campaign, led by ophthalmologist Elena Dume, has successfully restored sight to 360 elderly people in Oshikukum. The week-long campaign, which began on the 9th of this month and ended on the 14th, aimed to operate on 450 patients. The campaign removes cataracts, which are cloudy eye conditions that most people develop around 60 to 70 years old. The campaign, which was attended by Omusati Governor Emmanuel Shikongo and campaign officials, was organized with the help of everyone involved, and the volunteers expressed gratitude for their assistance. Moving on to other stories, the Ministry of Gender Equality and Child Welfare reported that 425 vulnerable children have been enrolled in schools this year, with 145 children in Marintal reintegrated into 9 schools through the Back to School project in Harda, and 280 children in Khomas placed in boarding schools outside Windhoek with the support from the after-school program. The Gender Ministry collaborated with the Education Ministry to provide psychosocial care, transport, school uniforms and toiletries. A research study for 2025 and 2026 aims to strengthen child protection policies and improve intervention programs. Moving on to our last story, the South African Department of Transport has condemned the fatal shooting of an e-hailing driver in Soweto, Johannesburg, stating that such criminal behavior is unacceptable in the public transport sector. The attack, which killed 1 person and injured 2 others, is linked to tensions between the traditional minibus taxi industry and the newer e-hailing platforms. Transport Minister Barbara Krisi has urged Maponya Mall management to enhance safety measures for passengers using e-hailing services. Now, both the government and the taxi industry agreed to establish a joint task team to address route encroachments, a key driver of taxi violence. And that's all we had for you in News in Brief. I shall see you soon.